In today's video, we'll try to learn how to make quotation. For this, come here, gateway of tally, then go with vouchers. Then I have to select other vouchers. So I will select other vouchers from here, or I can press F10 on keyboard. Then I have to select inactive, and then I have to select sales order. My sales order is showing in bold color because I already active this, but in your system it will not show in bold color, so you have to active this by pressing here enter or press Ctrl F8. So I will press Ctrl F8, so sales order will be active. Then I have to press Ctrl L for selection of optional, because if I don't made it optional, then in the record will be recorded, then it will be recorded as sales, but I want to make this as a quotation, so I will made it optional. So then press enter, then select the party name. I have party name is R, so I'll just select the R. Order number I put it 1, and then sales ledger will be the sales. I want to select the name of item. Name of item will be sari. I just want to select sari, and the quantity I want to put 10. I want to make this as quotation. So and then put the rate per unit. I just put the rate and press enter. Keep press enter, press enter, press enter. Accept yes. If you want put narration, then put it here. Otherwise, press enter for accepting. Now I will see how we can print the quotation. For this, come here, gateway of tally, then go with daybook, then select R sales order, which is optional. So I select that. Then I can print from here. So I select the print option, and then this option. You can print it from here, but now I want to preview it. So I open this preview section, and you can see the quotation is ready. Here the quotation is written, and all the details I just made is written here. The quotation is completed. So this is for today's video. Thank you for watching.